Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the last of January's unboxings. There are a couple I've gotten rid of, which is the Test Tube Beauty. Not that I didn't like it, I did like it, but their boxes have been underwhelming me lately, so I decided not to keep getting those. And I am not getting what is it, Glitz Clam box anymore. They changed something with theirs, and I'm not really sure how they've got it set up now. May eventually get them back again because I really do like them, but I don't know. So anyways, we will get into that, but first, today's video is sponsored by Dossier. If you are not familiar with them, they make designer inspired fragrances. They are very earth friendly and all that stuff. These boxes here are made 100% from recycled products. If you end up returning the perfume, they do donate those as well. So everything is very much so made well. So anyways, in the box of this, you get this right here, the card with the picture of the perfume, and on the back here it says the floral notes and stuff, and I'm going to read this to you so you know what I got. I picked up Floral Jasmine. The notes in this is Neroli, Cardamom, Bergamot, Pepper. Middle notes are Jasmine, Sambac, Yangling, Broom Flower, and base notes are Labdum, I know I'm saying that wrong, Clary Sage, and Vanilla. And this perfume is inspired by Tom Ford's Jasmine Rouge, and it has a 18% concentrate. And it says here that their mission is to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Now, it does talk a little bit more about that right there, but let's go ahead and look at the box. This is what it looks like inside. Very nicely packaged. It has a little scent right here, and I've sprayed it a little bit, and this is so you can test out the perfume to decide whether or not you like it. If you like it, keep it, whatever. But if you spray it and you realize you don't like it at all, you're absolutely able to send it back. And this is what my bottle looks like. They all kind of look like this other than the label. You can see it right there, very simple. So if you are interested in this, I will have a code on the screen as well as down below to give you a discount to go ahead and try it out. Alright, so the first one we are getting into is Color Curate by So Susan. This is the bag. So let's go ahead and open it. There is usually a card in here, which I don't have, but I will look up the prices and put them on the screen for you. But the bag is usually considered a limited edition, and I believe they retail for $12. So there's that. And I've always liked their bags. I think they're super cute. I don't really use them, but I think they're cute. Okay, the first thing we got is Sublime Lip Scrub from Trifle Cosmetics. This is in Sugar Pear. Not opening it yet because I'm not using it yet, but I'm definitely going to use it. I love a good lip scrub, especially in the winter time when it's dry. So I will be using that. I think that's really cute too. It has little pears. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it has little pears on there. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics Nebula. This is an eyeshadow, that much I know. Intensely foiled spongy eyeshadow. So this is the package. Now I don't really use singles a lot, so that will probably go into the next large giveaway, which I know I should have had it up by now. I promise you I will get it up soon. I just don't know how soon. But this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty color. Of course, not swatching it because I'm passing it along to someone else. Alright, the next thing we got is Cashmere Matte Long Lasting Matte Lipstick from So Susan Cosmetics. This is what it looks like right here. So I don't normally use them in, you know what, I'm gonna try this anyways. I haven't used one of these in a while, and this color looks a little different than some of the reds I have, so let's go ahead and swatch. Not as different as I thought, but still really pretty. Kind of more of a cranberry red. I thought it was going to be more of a brown red, which I was looking forward to, but it is not. So, you know, whatever. I will still try it out. All right, the last thing, and this one is this palette right here. This is a highlight or silky blush and highlight palette from So Susan Cosmetics. So this is the colors here. Not swatching it. That is probably going to go into the next large giveaway as well. All right, the next one we have here is Petit Vour. I think this one, I want to say 18 a month. I don't remember. But anyways, that will be on the screen. And this is always vegan and cruelty free. Okay, so this is the card with the theme for this month. And these are the items on the back here, the brief description as well as the price. The first thing we got here is from French Girl Flower de Neroli Charcoal Wash. This is not something I will use, mainly because of the charcoal just dries my face out too much. But this retails for $10. I will be putting this right here into the next large giveaway as well. All right, the next thing we have is Yanni Count to Zen Hand and Body Cream. This retails for $9. That is something I will use. Not ready to use it yet, so not opening it. It says it's a fast absorbing, non-greasy, natural hand and body cream free of parabens, formaldehyde, synthetic colors, and fragrances. So that's really good. Next we have Anna Lou Naturals Argan Oil and Shea Styling Cream for flexible hold. This retails for $3. I'm probably going to try that because I've been using more styling stuff in my hair since I've chopped it off. So we'll see how this does. All right, the next thing we got is Bright Lights Organic Lighter or Highlighter. This is from Habit. It retails for $28. It's a cream-based highlighter with a majority moisturizing plant-based in I can't even say it. Well, anyways, it's supposed to feel silky, so let's see what the container looks like. Okay, this is definitely something I'm going to be using. This is in shade Gatsby. There we go. This is the container, which I think is super cute. And you can see, of course, the quantity is misleading in the jar. It looks like it's going to be tons, but you can tell just by holding it like this that there's nothing there. It's just all on the surface, but that's okay. This is the color. All right, so here it is swatched. It is really dark on my skin. I can almost use that as a contour or an eye color, so I don't really know how I'm going to use that yet, but clearly that is just way too dark to be a highlight on my skin. All right, the last thing in this is Envy Dossier Perfume Oil, which retails for $4. I will probably give it a try because I do like me some perfume. And that is it of that box. We are moving on to the Kinder Beauty box. Did I already do this one? No, I didn't do this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. I feel like I did a Kinder Beauty box in the last video, which I think I did because I see an empty box over here. So maybe the other one was from last month. I really don't know. Maybe I just got to this month. I'm not really sure. But anyways, this is the card with the picture of the items, and then there's the products and brief information as well as the prices. Okay, the first thing we got here is Franklin and Whitman Vitamin C Eye Serum. This is age-defying formula with squalene and chamomile. This retails for $39.95. I do love my my eye serum, so I will definitely be using that. Then the next thing we got is Sukin Hydrating Mist Toner, which retails for $2.99. It says it's got chamomile and rose in it. Those are both very soothing, and I absolutely love that, so we'll definitely be using that. And the next thing I got here is a hyaluronic acid moisturizing mask from Rosa Type. I don't know, but that is what it looks like. And this here retails for $6. Love my mask, so we'll be using that. I'm actually kind of excited about that. I love it when I get masks. All right, the next thing we got here is Peak Beauty Drying Blush, and this retails for $18.50. This is what it looks like. So this is the color. I love that color. Definitely going to be using that. And that is so pretty. Very pink. Like a really pretty rose pink. What is the color's name? It's called Metalimate. I'm not sure. Anyways, the last item is a moisturizing oil elixir. This is from Jubilee Naturals. This is what it looks like right here. This retails for $34. This is supposed to be really good for cold weather, which I mean, it doesn't get really super cold here. It actually snowed. I was really excited. It'll be melted in a day or two, and we won't have any because it doesn't stay cold here long. But yeah, it snowed. So exciting. Yeah, I just really want 1 or 2 good snows a year. That's all I want. But you know, whatever. Anyways, this is what it looks like. And that is it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.